Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ammon. I'm going to talk really quick about improvement blitzes and the DevOps Dojo. Basically, improvement blitzes is just where you work on how you can improve how things are already going in either in your workflow, code, things of that nature. And the DevOps Dojo is actually a formal place you can go with your team in order to kind of spend some focused time on solving issues or problems to be more productive. So just a few steps to it. Number one, getting the team together. Two, identifying a recurring problem or a bad practice that exists. Spending up to 30 days determining what solution needs to be there and then implementing it, making sure that it's successful. And then when you're finished, you take those findings back to your company as a whole to help implement that, which is awesome. In addition, doing these things or these rituals, if you will, helps to pay off technical debt, which is awesome. So these rituals consist of dedicated time that is already scheduled, built into the schedule for working on issues and fixing them, whether that's workflow or product code. It's not intended to be time spent on building new features, but just rather fix, optimize, and improve what's already there. So this means overall that the closest employees to the problems that exist get to solve them themselves. And then overall, technical debt is being paid down over time. And then hopefully, as you implement these best practices, you can avoid technical debt in the future. Thanks, guys.